Do, 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Totally landed that. Perfect. Alright. Hey guys, Jack here. I'm usually doing skateboarding videos, but I'm going to do a fingerboarding video today. Not much of a difference, you know. But since my brother got this new cool Hot Wheels track for Christmas, you know, I figured I would do a video of putting a fingerboard on that. Yeah, it's going to be pretty cool. Alright. See that big, crazy track? This little fingerboard's going to go on it. I picked this one because I don't care what happens to it. There's no grip tape, just a little piece of plastic. Alright. Now, Dean, just stand up and hold this so we can see the loop, alright?
Yeah.
Here, come back. Make sure you can see the loop perfect. You can back up a little. Good view. Alright, good. Perfect. Alright. Oh, gosh! Okay, that went better than expected. Take two. Let's try that again. Not bad. I want some destruction. Ow! There we go. More destruction. Ah!